Welcome to the channel, my amazing nail art friends. The wait is over. Today we are diving into the Apres Hello Kitty 50th anniversary collab. Well, these two collabs make me say hello Kitty or goodbye Apres. So grab your favorite polish and let's get into it. Yeah, I'm playing around more and got a fancy special intro for this unboxing. So before we unbox these beauties, a quick backstory. I'm fairly new to Apres, having placed just one previous order for their Gel-X nails. I wanted to see how they stack up against other brands' dupe versions, but I also wanted to compare the dupe Gel-X out there to the real thing, and the only way to do that was to get a Gel-X kit. So it just felt like the perfect timing to get this collab between Sanrio and Apres. I heard about this collab a couple months ago, so I put some money aside and I purchased the Hello Kitty and the Kuromi Gel-X collabs. So this kit is going to turn into a couple of videos. Today we are going to take a close look at these collabs and what comes in it. Then later in the week, I'll have a part two, making sets using just what comes in the collabs. And then in the future, we'll do some tests against Gel-X and various dupes on the market. So if you are interested in nail content and getting the most bang for your buck to keep your nails on for a long time, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss those upcoming videos. Before we look into these two deep, are you Team Kitty or Team Kuromi? Drop in the comments below. Personally, I'm Team Kuromi all day. That mischievous little attitude and the color theme, black and pink, just too perfect for my style. Let's start with the Hello Kitty collab first, which comes in this soft bag to help protect the case. And just to remind you, it is the Apres Hello Kitty collab. Once we remove the bag, there is an adorable red, blue, white, and yellow vegan patent leather case to hold the Gel-X kit. And of course, the case has the iconic bow and little Hello Kitty ears sticking out of the top. Also on the zipper tags here, on one side it has the Apres logo with the A, and on the opposite side it features the bow. And here's what's on the inside. We're gonna zoom in here in a little bit in a moment so you can see a little bit better, but we are going to start off with the bonder, which is in the standard package that it would come in even if you purchase it just standard on the website. We also have the Gel-X Prep, which is an acid-free formula, also the standard packaging. We have the Extend Gel Non-Wipe. It is a HEMA-free product and listed as an exclusive. We'll dive more into that. We also have the Bow Together Gel Polish, which is also another exclusive until a couple of days ago after I wrapped recording, but another thing we will go over more. But it is the perfect Hello Kitty red shade. We also have the glossy non-wipe top coat, which is not an exclusive. This is the standard bottle it comes in. All of these bottles are also listed as 15 ml. It also comes with the 100 over 180 file. We have the 100 over 100 buffer and the red Omni Light with charging cable rather. And this is a special edition Omni Light. The Omni Lights in both kits are special editions. They do sell the standard Omni Light in a gold color, or you can buy these special edition lamps as a standalone from the kit, but we're going to talk about that a lot more in a moment. And last but not least, we get the almond medium cover full cover tips with bow tie cutout. You can get 280 pieces total among 14 different sizes. And what is nice about the Apres line is they offer half sizes, which seem to come in handy. Come on, you know that was funny. But it does come in very nicely for my more awkward shaped nail beds while I was working out my sizes with the Apres brand. Most of the items are available separately, but this kit features the Extend Gel in the special blue bottle instead of the standard goldish color bottle. The Omni Light in red is very cute, but sadly it does not include the silicone head that it's this little silicone Hello Kitty head that's available with the standalone purchase of the Omni Light. We will talk, like I said, a lot more about the Omni Light and the things that you can purchase individually if you don't want to collab later on in the video. What we're going to look at next, though, is the next collab, which this is the one I wanted the most out of the two, the Kuromi set, which comes in a black bag to protect the case with the collab name also on the front in case you forget. And then once we remove the bag, we have the black and pink colors on the case with the cute iconic skull design logo to tie it all back into the character. Also, it features the rabbit-like ears and has the same detail on the zippers. On one side, it has the Apres A logo, and then on the other side, we have the skull icon. Inside, once we unzip, we have the bonder and we have the Gel-X prep, which again are both the same bottles in the Kitty collab and what you can buy on the website or get in any other collab. We have the Extend Gel Non-Wipe, which is again listed as an exclusive. We also have the Mischief Madness French Manicure Gel, which is an exclusive because the applicator is in a unique half circle design to help make it easier to paint a French smile line. Also, there is the Heavenly Top Gel Coat and Troublemaker, another exclusive to this kit. They do have a line of top gels called Heavenly, but you can only get this one through the collab right now. All of these bottles are 15 ml. We also get a 100/180 file, a 100/100 buffer. We get this very unique, the best way I can put it is iridescent. It's like a pink, green, blue feeling color for the Omni Light with the charging cable. And we also get the neutral French almond medium tips. They also come in 280 pieces total among 14 different sizes, again with the same half sizes included, just like in the other kit. So what I was showing off there with the Extend Gel is it is the same formula like we would get in the Kitty one, or if you just purchase it regularly on the website. What makes the Extend Gel here an exclusive is it's in that lilac lavender color bottle. Again, the Omni Light lacks the silicone head, which for me has been a little bit of a disappointment considering the price point, but we will talk more about that Omni Light situation here in a moment. I want to talk a little bit more about the nails that come in this set because they're to me, they're very cool. So the nails are interesting. The nails feature 6 guidelines at various spots on the nail to help make it easier to know where to paint the color down for the French. For someone who doesn't have the steadiest of hands, this will come in handy. Oh, really? That's still not funny? I think that's hilarious. Whatever. But it may come in very nice since I do love a good French set of nails. Now, let's talk price tag for a moment. Each one of these kits is going to set you back a minimum of $140. One perk, though, through Apres is they do offer free shipping. At least for us here in the US, they offer free shipping on orders over $99. But I think what we're going to do next is we're going to address the elephant in the room, the missing silicone heads for the Omni Lights in both kits. So you can buy the nails and the lamp from these collabs individually. Each set of nails retails for $19.99, and most nails on their site that come in a 280-piece set are going to be about $16.99. The Omni lamp is gold and it retails for $30, the standard one. You can also buy the special edition Kitty or Kuromi lamp for $40. Now, these special edition lamps come with a silicone head that goes over the lamp to represent that character. However, if you buy the $140 collab, you do not get that silicone head. And when I was looking on the site, on average, a Gel-X kit is $120. To put this into perspective, let's say you're like me and you already have a lamp and a top coat. You would then need to get the bonder, the primer, the prep, the extend gel, and you would probably want to get a set of at least the 280-piece nails, costing you about $71 to start your Gel-X journey. If you wanted to add in an Omni lamp, let's use the standard one, your total would be $100. However, the Omni lamp wouldn't suffice for a full cure. It's just for a flash curing to get the Gel-X and nail to adhere together. You still want to get a bigger lamp to ensure everything is cured, especially, and more than likely, you will be wanting to put some type of gel polish on top of it. So if I had just bought the singles of what I need, I would have created my own Gel-X kit for much less than the cost of these collabs or even the current collabs available on the site. I guess I'm going to even have to wait for part 2 to see if the Gel-X system is really worth that $70 to $140 price tag, depending on whether you get a kit or buy the singles. And Rocky from the future, jumping in, I'm redoing this ending for like, I don't know, the 9th time. Right as I was wrapping up the edit, I got an email for the 2 gel polish sets that they are coming out with for the mentioned collabs. And I am definitely skipping out on those. The Kuromi set is a magnetic line and the Kitty set is a shimmer line, which even with other brands, I don't wear a whole lot of those types of polishes, and I have a lot of those kinds of polishes right now that I need to think of getting through before I go out and buy more. So it's nothing against Apres or their polishes. It's not something I know I'm going to use. I was, though, very tempted because of the packaging that comes with these polishes. It was very kawaii, of course. And to be honest, I think FOMO got the best of me on this collab, and the word special edition, and just, yeah, I think it all got the best of me. And that's what got me on the polishes. That's almost what got me on the polishes. So in the long run, I'll be honest, do I regret buying the collabs? Yeah, a little bit. Normally, I do really well on fighting that FOMO feeling, but this one, it just really got me this time. Luckily, I got the collabs for more than just the looks. It's because I wanted to give the Apres Gel-X craze a try for myself instead of using the dupes. I am so ready for the part 2 myself to see if the Gel-X system is really worth the cost over the dupes out there on the market. But I would love to hear your feedback on the Apres collabs in the comments below. Did you get wind of the collabs also? If so, spill your feelings. Are you happy with it? Maybe you can turn me around. Or did it leave you wanting the feeling of wanting more like me? Like I said, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it was the FOMO feeling of it all. I just assumed for the price point, the silicone heads would come with it since the lamps are sold separately. Also, the nails, it just seemed like a package deal for the lamp and the head to be together. To be fair, the post for the collab does say the special edition lamp and cable, So it is on me for not fully reading, semi-assuming, and letting FOMO control my wallet emotions. And yeah, so. But if you have any experience or tips for the Apres Gel-X, feel free to share them with me and the fellow viewers because sharing is caring. And if you like this review, use a soft touch on that like button so you don't break a nail. And remember to hit the subscribe button and set it to all notifications so you don't miss out on the next review, tutorial, or funny short. Remember, my lovely nail friends, be pure, be honest, be beautiful. I love ya. Happy birthday if it's your birthday, and I hope all your nail designs come out perfect the first try. Bye!